Hi, today we are going to solve the quadratic equations by completing the square. Example 1. Solve x squared plus 4x minus 3 equals 0. So in here, what we have to do is, we have to take quadratic term and linear term and try to write this one as a complete square. First of all, we check quadratic term coefficient, that is 1. Then we can move on to the next step. Then we can select these two, that means quadratic term and the linear term, and write this one as a complete square. So I write x squared plus 4x, then we take the linear term coefficient, that is 4, divided by 2, that is 2, square it, that is 4. Then add and minus that value, and the remaining value, that is minus 3, equals 0. Then this means complete square. How do you write it? Open bracket, variable, that is x, then linear term coefficient with the sign, and divided by 2. Plus 4 divided by 2, that is plus 2. Whole thing squared. Then minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 7, equals 0. Then I can send this minus 7 to the other side. So x plus 2 to the power 2 equals minus 7 sent to the other side, plus 7. Then I can send this squared to the other side. So when you send squared to the other side, it becomes square root. When you put square root, we put plus or minus. Then I'm going to send this plus 2 to the other side because I want x. X equals plus 2 sent to the other side, minus 2 plus or minus root 7. Then we have one answer from plus, one answer from minus. So x equals minus 2 plus root 7, or x equals minus 2 minus root 7. When you put this one to the calculator, you get minus 2 plus root 7, that is 0.645. so we have to write this one to 2 dp, 2 decimal places, that is 0.64. after 4 it is 5, so we have to add 1 to 4, that is 0.65. then minus 2 minus root 7, so using arrow keys we have to go to the sign and remove that and put minus. Then minus 4.645, again 2 dp, that is minus 4.64. after 4 it is 5, so we have to add 1 to 4, so minus 4.65. Example 2. Solve x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals 0. First we check quadratic term coefficient, that is 1. So we have to select quadratic term and linear term and try to write this one as a complete square. So let's write x squared minus 3x, then we take a linear term coefficient, that is 3, divide that by 2, that is 3 over 2, then 3 over 2, we have to square it, that is 9 over 4. Then add 9 over 4 minus 9 over 4. Add 9 over 4 minus 9 over 4 minus 2 equals 0. Then this means a complete square, that is bracket, variable, then linear term, coefficient with the sign, and divide by 2, that is minus 3 divided by 2 to the power 2. Then it is minus 9 over 4 minus 2. 2 means 2 over 1 equals 0. Then here denominator 4, I can make here also denominator 4, that is multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Then I get x minus 3 over 2 whole thing to the power 2 minus 9 over 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 1, 4. That's minus 8 over 4 equals 0. Then x minus 3 over 2 whole thing squared. Then this is minus 9 over 4 minus 8 over 4. Altogether minus 17 over 4 equals 0. Then I can send this minus 17 over 4 to the other side. X minus 3 over 2 whole thing to the power 2 equals 17 over 4. Then I can send this squared to the other side. Then this becomes square root. I write here x minus 3 over 2 equals 17 over 4 root. When you put root, you have to put plus or minus. Then I can send this minus 3 over 2 to the other side. It becomes plus 3 over 2. X equals 3 over 2 plus or minus root 17 over root 4, that is 2. Then we can have plus answer and minus answer. So x equals 3 plus root 17 over 2, or x equals 3 minus root 17 over 2. You can put this into the calculator. So it is fraction format. Fraction 3 plus root 17 over 2. That is 3.561. For 2dp it is 3.56. After 6 it is 1. So you don't need to add 1 to 6. So the answer is 3.56. Then I need to take here negative answer, arrows, remove plus and put minus. Minus 0.561. So again after 6 it is 1. You don't need to add 1 to 6. So it is minus 0.56. Minus 0.56. Example 3. Solve 2x squared plus 16x plus 5 equals 0. So first of all we check quadratic term coefficient. It is 2 there. Then we can take 2 out from quadratic and linear term. So 2 out. Then 2x squared divided by 2. That is x squared. Then plus 16x divided by 2. That is plus 8x plus 5 equals 0. Then I take this bracket and write this bracket as a complete square. So 2 outside, I put curly bracket, x squared plus 8x. Then we take linear term coefficient, that is 8, divided by 2, that is 4, then 4 squared, that is 16. So plus 16 minus 16, close bracket, plus 5 equals 0. Then this means complete square. 2 curly bracket, that is variable x, here plus 8 divided by 2, that is plus 4, whole thing squared, minus 16, close curly brackets, plus 5 equals 0. Then I'm going to expand this curly bracket by 2. 2 times x plus 4 whole thing to the power 2. 2 times minus 16 minus 32 plus 5 equals 0. And 2 times x plus 4 to the power 2 minus 32 plus 5 minus 27 equals 0. Then I can send minus 27 to the other side. 2 x plus 4 to the power 2 equals minus 27 comes to this side plus 27. Then I can divide both sides by 2. 2 get cancelled. X plus 4 to the power 2 equals 27 over 2. Then I can send this square to the other side. I write here x plus 4 equals 27 over 2 root. When you put root, you have to put plus or minus. Then I can send this plus 4 to the other side. So x equals minus 4 plus or minus 27 over 2 root. Then I can have plus answer and minus answer. X equals minus 4 plus 27 over 2 root, or x equals minus 4 minus 27 over 2 root. We have to put this into the calculator. Minus 4 plus root fraction 27 2, that is minus 0.325. so it is 2 dp we need, so that is 3 2, after 2 it is 5, so we have to add 1 to 2, so minus 0.33. Then we have to make here minus, use arrows and put minus, that is minus 7.674. so 2 dp it is 6 7, after 7 it is 4, so you don't need to add 1 to 7, so the answer is minus 7.67. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.